Hey guys, welcome to today's video. So today we're going to be cleaning my son's room. I've already cleaned it and it doesn't look like it, but it's okay. I don't really have a shot of it beforehand, but I can tell you it looks so much cleaner now. You'll kind of see the pieces as we go through. So if you want to see me clean this room, let's go ahead and get started, and make sure you subscribe down below. it, so let me show you what I did. Okay, so all this here you saw me bag up, it's gonna go into the shed. It's just stuff that he isn't using anymore. Over here, I have some things that I need to clean, like in the sink, and then like some yard sale stuff, and then some garbage. So all this will be gone. And then I just cleaned this up, but sweet boy woke up from his nap and decided to come in here and play, which is fine. This will take 2 seconds for me to put back over there. Oh, thank you for sharing. And then that would typically go in his closet, but since it's nice outside, we typically have been taking it out a lot, so having it right there isn't bothersome. But then, especially over here, it's so much cleaner. And there's no like random tote in the middle of the floor. Just a doggy and a baby. But yeah, if you did make it to the end, then thanks for watching.